As our children got older, we wanted a way to connect with them, and pickleball has been a great solution for us to do in our own driveway. This one comes with a honeycomb core. It's lightweight and it's got a good grip, so let's check it out. Cute. So it looks like it comes with its own case. Okay, so it's got your indoor and your outdoor balls and a case to hold your 2 rackets. First impressions, very lightweight. Got a maybe a plasticky coating and a rubberized edging. The grip feels like a tennis racket, just like a tennis racket. So it's got that same kind of texture. I don't know if you can see. It's got the ridges and it's got the rubber with the holes. Nice and lightweight, very easy to grasp in my hands. And this is a USA Pickleball approved paddle size regulation, everything like that. Love that it does come with the 2, well packaged. The thing we can't see, but I think is pretty interesting, is this has the shock absorbing polymer. So it's got this honeycomb design, and then that surface is actually a fiberglass for faster control. And then that ridging is designed to protect the edge of the paddle so that it doesn't fray as easily, and then that sweat shockproof ventilation handle. All right, let's see if we can get this packing material off and get a closer look. Oh, nice and easy. Okay, yes, this is very, I can handle it either way in my right or my left hand, just like a tennis racket. Let's check out the specs. So that handle is just shy, about 4 3/4 inches long, about 1.5 inches wide. The whole handle is 15.5 by about 8. It's super lightweight, and this is fantastic. So looks like we can slide this right back in the case. Case has a carrying handle, or you can put it like a backpack crossbody style as well, which has become super popular. Shove anything else you need in here, like a car key, and you're good to go. So very cute. Final thing I wanted to test out was just getting everything back in. So these slide in nicely. There does seem to be enough room on either side. Don't know if you can see that. There we go. That it's not too hard to shove them in. Love that the balls go in so easily. These zippers are working nicely, so no hesitation or anything there. Handle seems good, and we're good to go. Overall, pretty impressed.